Well, it's official. I've run out of cars. I'm just kidding. Now, you have seen a mini John Cooper Works Countryman before, and you've probably seen one in green before. But have you seen one with a red roof? Probably. But that's not why I am showing you this car. There's something else on this car that has been done. It's a factory option, and it's now finally available for the 2026 model year that makes this car incredible. And I bet you know what it is. Now, before you say anything, yes, I know it's red and green and it's September, so it's not Christmas yet, but that's not why I'm showing you this vehicle. One, I do think the red and green works very well. I think the 20-inch wheels work very well. I think the fact that this is John Cooper Works with all these beautiful red accents on it makes it work even better. The black trim, fantastic. The red mirror caps, beautiful. The interior, of course, beautiful. Really, really nice detailing. The black and red dash, the black and red seats with the red stripe. It's just a beautiful interior. I really like this. And you even get what your Countryman looks like on your center screen. So how can you not love that? And of course, plenty of room in the back for 3 people. And even better, plenty of room in the trunk for your luggage and storage under the load floor. And here's something you don't see in most John Cooper Works: a spare tire. And of course, under the hood, you have a 313 horsepower, 295 pound-feet of torque, B48 turbocharged motor, mated to a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. You have all-wheel drive. You really have everything that makes this car fantastic. But there is one thing that you could not get until now. You see, if you look at the window sticker, aside from the fact that it has a $52,000 MSRP, you'll see 20-inch John Cooper Works wheels, but you'll also see JCW Performance brakes. Now, what happened was, you could always get the John Cooper Works 20-inch wheels, but up until this year, you could not get the brakes, and that is because there was a parts shortage. But now you can get the John Cooper Works brakes, the big ones, the 6-piston calipers that are designed to fit behind these massive 20-inch JCW wheels. And there they are. And they're really just an incredible thing to have. I mean, you don't get this on a Mini. At least you haven't since the GP2. But there they are. 6-piston calipers, big rotors, drilled as well. So you have really nice high-performance brakes on a vehicle that really demands high-performance brakes. And with that, the part shortage is now over, and you can now get that brake kit. But in order to get it, you have to get the 20-inch wheels. Those brakes will not fit behind the 19-inch wheels. Trust me, I've checked. But there you have it. Beautiful looking car. Love the paint. Love British Racing Green, obviously, is one of my favorite colors. But love the way this car looks, the red accents, the black trim. It is just a beautiful car. And if you like what you see on this channel, check out more content at the end of this video. And as always, thanks so much for watching.